Would you like to win some incredible limited edition Pink Floyd swag? Wish You Were Here turns 50 this year, and I've teamed up with Sony and the Pink Floyd team to celebrate it with our guitars. Introducing the official Wish You Were Here at 50 intro challenge. To mark the anniversary, I've remade my Wish You Were Here lesson and transformed the classic intro into 5 levels of difficulty. You'll find the lesson at justinguitar.com/wish you were here. Or one word. If you'd like to win a seriously awesome prize pool, then all you have to do is learn the intro and submit a performance to the challenge. The prize bundle is honestly unbelievable. Up for grabs is some amazing official Wish You Were Here 50th anniversary merchandise, including a limited edition Wish You Were Here 50 fire extinguisher. If you know, you know. Only 150 of these exist. It is a rare collector piece to treasure. You'll get a Wish You Were Here at 50 anniversary t-shirt, screen printed in the UK with the iconic album artwork. There's also a Wish You Were Here 50th anniversary diver mug and the enormous Wish You Were Here 50th anniversary box set, packed with unreleased demos, alternate versions, 6 never-heard-before tracks, a restored 1975 live concert, a Dolby Atmos Blu-ray, clear vinyl LPs, unseen photos, a comic tour program, a replica Japanese single, and much more. It's dead easy to enter. Just follow these 5 steps. First, join the Justin Guitar website. It's completely free, by the way. Then, learn the intro with the new lesson. Next, upload your performance to YouTube and then add it to the Student Performances tab over on the website. Then all you need to do is wait until the prize draw on December 12th. It's a sweepstake, not a competition. All you have to do is have a go at playing it. It's not about who does it best. The deadline to enter is midnight UTC on December 11. Join us in celebrating with an ultimate tribute to one of the greatest albums ever made. And let's show our appreciation to the band and thank David for creating this guitar masterpiece. Hope you'll join the Wish You Were Here at 50 intro challenge, and good luck. Bye-bye.